Buddy Brian back here with another look at Kaspa here. All right, we're obviously going a little bit sideways here. Gonna take a look at some divergences here and see what's going on with this chart here in a second. And we're still waiting for that, that fifth wave push up here, but we'll see what's going on here in the meantime. I want to show you guys a couple things here. First over here, look at this petahash up to 80. 80. All right, geez, I remember when this thing was 17, 18. We're up to 80 petahash now. 2.8. This was just at 3 transactions a second. 2.9, 3 blocks per second. That's obviously getting higher, so that's great to see. Obviously, they're following through on all of this stuff here. If we go over to CoinGecko, you can see we're down 0.7% for the day at 12.8144, 12.8149 now, but almost 13 cents, just under. The market cap is at 2.7 billion, and we've had 23 million. $192,000 in volume over the last 24 hours. Okay, and that puts us, let's see where we're at here on the crypto bubbles. I can never, there it is. Boom, right there. How about that? Yeah. How did we do that before we favorited that? There we go. And then it puts a yellow, that's right. Then it puts a yellow ring around it. Cool. Rank number 27. There's your market cap. They have 33 million in volume on here, but still in the top 30, which is pretty massive for anything, especially a 2-year-old cryptocurrency. That's pretty awesome. All right, I was reading an article the other day. Everybody has their own opinions and stuff, but they were talking about how Kaspa has no smart contracts, this, that. I was gonna pull the article up, but just a totally negative article. I don't know. It's anybody can put an article out on the internet and talk trash, but yeah, this one here really bashed it down. Well, I'll tell you what. I think I'd like to find that article and look back. Pull that back up here in 6 months. I would like to see smart contracts on this thing for sure. That I like seeing that smart contracts. Then you can build on smart contracts. So we'll see what happens here. But Caspa's just doing fine. I don't see any worry for anything. It was just one of them articles that kind of upset you even reading it. Maybe they're just jealous because they didn't get in the beginning and they missed out on this. I don't know what it was, but like I said, everybody's got their own opinion. Okay, so a few things I want to show you guys here in this chart. Number one, okay, well, that 702 became a real major problem here up at what is that, 0.14, about 0.143. We came up, we hit it, we got rejected off of it. Okay, now if we pull up the RSIs down here, I want to show you guys something, especially on the bottom one. So let's see if we can make this a little bit bigger. It might be as big as we can make it besides what we got here. All right, you can see here we have this high, then we have our next high, and making lower highs on here. Okay, while up here on price has been going, we heading up. Okay, so we got some bearish divergence there, and just to show you guys, bearish divergence right here, you have your price going up and your indicator making lower highs. Okay, that's exactly what it is right there. That's exactly what we got going on here. So that's why I think that ABC is coming in, one of the biggest indicators. Okay, and if we look at these RSIs, the 12 hours is rolling over and heading down. We got the 8 hour. The 8 hour is it's at a 40 and a 36. It's trying to turn up, but it's got the same thing going here. Had this high back here. lower highs on the RSI, but we are making lower highs through here, so that kind of matches up. The 4-hour is heading down. All right, we kind of let's see here. We had this high, then we had lower high. Yeah, we had bearish divergence here. If we take this off here, you can see it. This high here. Then we had a higher high, but a lower high on the RSI. Okay, so you got a little bit of bearish divergence going on. That's what makes me think the ABC is coming in. And then with this weekly, tapped out. I mean, it's right at the top here. It's flipping over bearish. It's at an 80 and an 88, so no big deal. We have to have a correction sometime. That's just how this thing goes. And I gave a target yesterday. I'll redo this target here. This target would be right down for an ABC correction, right down here at about 10.3. All right, so keep your eye on that. The biggest indicator that is going to happen would be breaking, this 11.4. That would be this low right here. If we break that, count on it coming down there. Okay, that's going to be the big because it does have support around this area. That 11.46. Keep an eye on that. If that breaks, we're definitely coming down here. Okay, this support up here is holding also. Keep an eye on it at 12.5 because it's been bouncing there. Okay, so that'll be the first indicator. If 12.5 breaks, then it's coming down here, obviously, down to 11.4. Then if that 11.4 breaks, watch for 10.3 to come in. Okay, all right, guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll be back with you soon. Oh, first off, I want to give a shout out. Members, you guys. All right, I ended up got my first super member yesterday. That was pretty awesome. Let's see, right down here, super supporter. Thank you so much. Area Beta, I believe, and West Splash, 2 new members. Thank you so very much, guys. I thank you to every single one of you. I really mean that. You guys are great. You keep the channel rolling. Super fan. I love the support. Thank you so very much, and I mean that. It means the world to me. You have no idea. All the work I put into them videos. I hope you guys enjoy them, and I hope you guys get better than me. You know what I mean? I hope you make a pile of money in this bull run, and that's what these trading lessons are for, and that's what I want to see. I want to see you guys get rich. All right, so thank you very much, guys, and consider becoming a member if you're not one. If it's something that you can afford and do, yeah, please consider doing it. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.